All right, Paul, thank you. Many of us had to cut our outdoor plans short yesterday as a line of thunderstorms rolled through southern Maine, and some of those storms packed a heavy punch. The Freeport area, one of the hardest places hit. Just off Route 125, trees came crashing down on a mobile home and a car on Circle Drive. Thankfully, no one was hurt there, but some live power lines were brought down, cutting electricity to the area. The National Weather Service in Gray says it was straight-line winds that brought down those trees, and wind speeds reached as high as 65 miles per hour at one point. As we all know, severe weather can come out of nowhere, so it's important to be able to get that information quickly. Get instant alerts on the new WMTW Total Weather app for your iPhone. It sends you the latest watches and warnings, plus our exclusive 8-day forecast. Just search WMTW in the App Store.